Hola chicos. In this video we'll be working on our saludos or greetings. And the objective here is that you can meet someone, introduce yourself, ask their name, treat them with courtesy, and then depart, okay? So this is the instructional video for how to fill out this worksheet. So we're going to go through. Now in the video I'm going to go a little bit quick. The idea is that you pause it and look back and rewind it if you need to, okay? So we're going to go to the ways that we can say hello. And of course we all know hola. So you can present yourself with hola. Or if you wanted to get more specific, depending on the time of day, you could say buenos días from these times, buenas tardes from these times, or buenas noches from these times. Here's a good example where I'm not going to elaborate, but maybe you would pause and write down what those are, okay? So we can figure out buenos días is, of course, good morning, buenas tardes, good afternoon, buenas noches, good evening or good night, okay? So if we're going back to our worksheet here, para saludar, in order to say hello, se dice. You should recognize dice from the story we've been working on in class, okay? If you're not, go ahead and look it up, okay? Those are options that you can use to say. So you have one done for you, fill out 3 more. Then we have a question. So after you say hello, you can ask, ¿Qué tal? Okay? Or something that means the same thing as ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo estás? Okay? Those are both options for asking after you introduce yourself and say good morning or whatever. Okay? Another option that we talked about is más o menos or así así. So I want you to do here is exactly what the instructions say. Make a drawing. What does más o menos look like for you? Here, you're writing the word that describes this picture. Are you bien or are you mal? Okay? So you're writing the word there. Again, you're probably going to want to pause and go back. So number 8 is presenting yourself or introducing yourself. So when you present yourself, you want to know what the other person's name is. So there's a question. You might remember the way we do this is with ¿Cómo te llamas? And we answer with me llamo. Okay? After we've introduced ourselves with our names, you might say, nice to meet you, mucho gusto. Okay? So that's going to go here. The question and the answer there. Here we want to describe the title of each of these people. So we want to use courtesy, and we'll talk more about that in class. So based on these photos, I want you to relate it to this slide. Again, you're going to want to pause. Let me move my camera here for a second. Get it out of the way. It's not going to be out of the way anywhere. So you're going to want to pause and go back to that, okay? And finally, go back to our back page of the worksheet. How do you say goodbye? So after you said, nice to meet you, you're going to finish the conversation. You can say ciao. And here's a couple more options. You can say, we'll go to the end here. You can say adiós. You can say hasta luego, hasta pronto, hasta mañana, or nos vemos. Okay? So you're going to fill out the bottom of that with those answers. So this was a really quick video. You're probably going to need to pause and go back. The bottom of this lines you don't need to do. We'll do that in class. Just bring the worksheet completed, okay? All right. If you have any questions, email me. See you later. Bye.